Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create LinkedIn account. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. LinkedIn is a social networking site designed specifically for the business community. With over 1 billion members, its goal to enable registered members to establish and document professional networks of people that they know and trust. So, what if you want to create your account? It's very simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to download the app first. You can download on App Store or your Play Store. It's free. We'll download it first on my phone. Can wait. Now after that, you can open the app. And in here, you can sign up with your Google account, or you can sign in with your email. You can join. You can create account. If you're new to LinkedIn, you can just tap on join now. You can add your first name. Tap on continue. You can add your email or your phone number. Tap on continue. You can set your password. Tap on continue. You can verify. The verification is complete. You can enter your location. So your profile will help you discover new people and opportunities. If you're a student, you can just enable this toggle in here. If you're not, you can just skip. You can enter your location, your most recent job title, most recent company. Now after that, you can tap on next. You can add photo. You can add your photo to help people recognize you, but you can add photo. You can take a photo and choose it from your gallery. But choose from my gallery. For the example, I will choose this picture just for the example. Tap on save. Now tap on next. LinkedIn will send you verification code. You can enter the code. Are you looking for a job? Your response is only visible to you. I will just choose on not really, but if you're looking for a job, you can choose on yes, I'm actively looking for a new job. We'll just choose this one. Tap on next. You can connecting with people lets you see updates and keep in touch in here. But I will just skip this step, I think. So here you go. Here's your LinkedIn account. It's very simple, right? So now you have your own LinkedIn account. So that is how to create LinkedIn account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.